guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is one that I'm so excited about. I've wanted to do this for a little while now. One of my close friends, Molly, actually created this video, so she set herself a budget of £50 and then she went on to, I think it was Romwe, and she tested out how much she could buy for £50. I loved that video. I thought it was absolutely hilarious, so I will leave a link to it in the description down below. Make sure you go and check it out. So last week I popped into Primark with my budget of £50 and to be honest, I think I did quite well. Obviously in Primark, if you bought all the absolute basics like vest tops and stuff like that, you could get a lot more. But I wanted to see how many proper items of clothing I could buy for £50. I'm not talking black leggings, I'm not talking vest tops, I am talking dresses, bags, etc. So without further ado, I'm going to show you what I got. So when I went to the till, these items actually came to £54.40, so I went slightly over budget, and all of the items I got I actually love, maybe apart from one. So first of all, I picked up a couple of t-shirts. I noticed that in Primark at the minute there are a lot of ribbed cropped t-shirts, and I'm all about that. So the first one that I picked up, please excuse my camera, it's about to go mental. It looks like this. It is bright orange, it's got a little bit of embroidery on it, it says starry-eyed. I think these are called lettuce hems. Don't hold me to that, but I think it's called a lettuce hem. So it's got like frills around the sleeves and around the bottom, and this top was £4. I thought this would look really nice with some high-waisted ripped black shorts, a black denim jacket, black bag, black shoes, everything black except the t-shirt. So that is why I picked this one up. I'm really excited to wear it in the summer, and I think the sleeves are so cute. So this is the first top on. I like it with the all black outfit. It's a very comfortable top. I like the little splash of colour. You could literally use any black bag with this and any type of like black trainers. Well, that's personally just how I would wear it anyway, obviously. It's completely up to you. It feels really like cool and just light. My denim jacket and my belt are from Pull & Bear, and my denim shorts are from Pretty Little Thing. And this is what it looks like without the jacket on. I like the sleeves, they are so cute. And then also from the same sort of section, I picked up another one. This is very similar, apart from this is more like a blush pink. It's not pastel-y, it's more like of a muted pink, which I really like. Obviously it's got the white stripes on it. Again, it has a little bit of embroidery which says hug me. Not the biggest fan of that, but it's small so you can't really see it anyway. But again, it's got the frills on it, super cute. And this one was £5. Not sure why this was £1 more expensive than the other one, because they are literally like the same thing. But I like the colour of it anyway, and I thought it would look cute with some white ripped skinny jeans. Do you know what? I think I'm going to go back to Primark and pick up some more of this style of top in all different colours, because they are so comfortable, they are so easy to wear. You can just throw them on with pretty much anything. I've obviously paired this top with my white jeans. These are from River Island. I love the colour of this, like more than I ever thought I would. And you know what? It would also look really cute with like some denim dungarees if you're into that. Personally, they don't really suit me, but if dungarees are your thing, this type of top would be adorable underneath them. Next up, what should I do next? Okay, let's get the one that's a little bit out of the way. I really wanted to find some denim shorts, so I picked up the cheapest ones I could find. These were £6 and they're pretty much just some classic denim shorts. They are mid-length. I'm not sure if they're high-waisted. I hope they are, otherwise they're not going to be worn a lot. I got them in a size 10 because they looked really small. They had a few different shades of blue. They had a lighter blue and a darker blue. I like that the bottoms are rolled up. They're not my favourite shade of blue, but they're alright. Do you know when they would be quite good? Is in the summer, on the beach. When you don't want to wear your best shorts, maybe you're wearing a bikini underneath, you don't mind if they get all sandy and a little bit gross, these would be perfect for that. Oh, I'm not a fan of these shorts. They're such a weird length. They're like cycling shorts, but not the trendy ones. Not that I'm even really a fan of cycling shorts. It's a shame because if they're a bit shorter, like normal length shorts, they would be really nice because they're stretchy, they're comfortable. Not even like shorts, they're like longs. I put them with just quite a basic t-shirt. This is from ASOS. It just ties at the back, it's nice and cute. But with these shorts, no thank you, honey. I think these are gonna be going back. Next up, I got a couple of accessories. So I am obsessed with hair scrunchies. I think they look so cute. I wear my hair up quite a lot. I wear it in a bun or a cute little ponytail, and I think a cute scrunchie makes all the difference. So I got this pack of 3. These were £1.50, and you get like a beigey one, an orange one, and a reddy, burgundy, burnt orangey kind of one. So yeah, that's just my little added bonus. And I also picked out a pair of earrings. I actually love these for £2. They are like gold hoops with little like bohemian style feathers on. I'm more of a silver person. They didn't have them in silver, which was a bit of a shame, but I still like them, and I like that they're a little bit different. I'm saving my big items till last because there are a couple of things that I really love, but they were like quite a lot more pricey than the rest of this stuff. But anyway, next up we have another little t-shirt I found, which I actually really like. It's this little black crop top with obviously the contrast edging around it. I like that it's this like high neck. I just like the style of it. I think it looks cool. Obviously it's cropped, and down the sides it has a little white and a little red stripe. This is so my style. I'm loving a sporty vibe at the minute, even though I am the least sporty human to ever walk this earth. But tops like this give me a sporty vibe until you see me walking down the street really out of breath. And this top was £5. So this is this top on. I really like this. It fits me really nicely. I'm a big fan of this neckline, and I think the stripes look super cute down the side. It's very easy to wear in the summer. I'm wearing a strapless bra with it because I don't want my bra straps to be seen, which is not like the best in the summer. It's not the most comfortable thing, but I do really like the way it looks. This one gets a big thumbs up from me because I think I'm going to wear this top a lot when the weather gets better. So already for my money, I've got 3 tops, a pair of shorts, 3 hair scrunchies and a pair of earrings. But hold on a minute. Stop the press. We also got a little sweatshirt, didn't we? So this sweatshirt is a little bit cropped. It is like cut like a raw hem. The sleeves are cuffed, which is always a bonus. And it has these green and orange stripes on it, and it says Verona, and it's got some lions on it as well. I just thought it was quite cool, quite casual. It would definitely be a very easy outfit to wear. I'm also a big fan of it feeling fleecy on the inside. I think this will actually be quite warm. And this was £7. So this is the sweatshirt on. To be honest with you, just realised that I picked up a size 12. I usually would buy an 8 or a 10 in this sweatshirt, so it is a little bit big. I feel like the crop is a little bit long. But one thing I love in sweatshirts is when the sleeves are quite long, so I really like that aspect of it. So I'm probably going to keep the size 12, to be honest, because I would only wear this like to lounge around probably. I've just paired it with some black leggings from Pretty Little Thing because this would be like a super comfy outfit to wear at home. So I do like it. I just kind of wish I picked it up in a 10. But I really like the design of it. It's really nice and comfortable. It is nice and warm as well. Okay, so I forgot to put these in at the beginning, but they were only 90p. I also picked up a pair of gold flip-flops. I live in Primark flip-flops in the summer, but specifically the ones that are like textured, not the flat ones. They feel like cardboard. But the textured ones are actually so comfortable. They're so like squishy and nice, and I just thought gold would be good to slip on like in the garden or whatever. It goes with most colours, so it'd just be easy. 90p, absolute bargain. So I'd highly recommend going to Primark even if you only get the flip-flops. So now I'm down to my 2 last items. These were the bigger purchases of this haul. The first thing, I was really surprised at the price of this. So it's this really nice pale blue midi dress. It comes down to just above my knees, I think. It obviously has this little V detail in the front and the double straps. I think they look really cute. The back of it is just quite plain and simple, but it is a bodycon dress, so it's quite tight fitted, it's quite flattering. It feels quite nice quality. Obviously, it's not like the world's best quality because this was only £13, but I think this would be so nice if you're going to a wedding or something like that. If you put all white accessories with this, white heels, little white bag, white earrings, I think it could look adorable. I got it in a size 8 and I would say it's a pretty true to size at size 8. So now all I need is to be invited to a wedding so that I can actually wear this. So this is the dress on. If I was going to wear this to a wedding, I probably would like accessorise up a bit more, take a little white bag, probably this one. This is just like this lacy white clutch. This was from Accessorize, but I'm sure if you typed in white lace clutch on Google you'd find them everywhere. But the actual dress itself I really like. It fits me really nicely actually, and for £13 I think it is such a bargain. If this was on another online clothing website it would be twice that price. I really like this neck detail because it adds a little something to quite a plain dress, and I also like the material because it's really stretchy and I feel like it wouldn't get too hot in the summer. Big fan of this. I would rate this dress a 10 out of 10. And the final item that I picked up is possibly my favourite item in this haul. So it's this little red crossbody bag. It's got like this gold detail on it. I think it's meant to be a snake or something like that. I'm not really sure. It's a really soft, obviously it's not leather, it's plastic, but it's a really soft plastic. It's got some little gold chain detailing and then obviously the red strap, which is also adjustable. So it's got just a little pop out on the front, and then inside it has 2 little pockets on this side, obviously the big pocket and then a zipped pocket as well. And you can unpop the sides. So if you need a little bit more room in your bag, if you carry with you everything but the kitchen sink, you can make it a little bit wider, which is handy. And this also comes in white and black. So if you're not really one for a bold coloured bag, the black one was also really lovely. And this was only £10. I'm really, really happy with this. I've already used this. I took this with me when I went to go and see the Vamps last week. And quite a few people that I met were like, oh, I love your bag. I was like, thanks. Tenner from Primark. I love to share a bargain with people, even if they're not wanting one. Also, this outfit would be really cute with the red bag because the red stripe and the red bag are matching. Such an easy summer outfit. I am all for it. So that, my friends, brings us to the end of this video. I think that I actually did quite well for £50. So just for a quick recap, I picked up 3 t-shirts, a sweatshirt, a pair of shorts, a pair of flip-flops, 3 scrunchies, a pair of earrings, a nice dress and a crossbody bag, all for £54. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments down below. I love to hear your feedback, or give this video a little thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to see my future videos and turn on my notifications so you can get a little ding when I upload a video. But for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!